Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, and today I'm gonna do this interesting messy bun hairstyle. So let's just go and get started. I'm gonna just like do the two parting hair, and I'm gonna pick up a little hair in the front, and I'm gonna just plait it into two sections, and I'm gonna take the lower section over the other one, and I'm gonna add hair to the lower section, and I'm gonna take it over the other one. So I'm gonna add hair again to the lower section, and I'm gonna take it over. So I'm just gonna add hair to the lower section, and I'm gonna take it over the middle one. So it's like a lacy twist braid. So I'm gonna pick up hair, add it to the lower section, and take it over the middle one. So I'm gonna do the same thing until I reach the end. I'm gonna just like add hair to the lower section and take it over the middle one. I'm gonna stop right here picking up hair, and I'm gonna simply twist the two braids like that. I'm gonna keep twisting till I reach the end, and once I reach the end, I'm gonna take some hair clip or a bobby pin to secure that. I use this clip, later on I'm gonna be changing it into a bobby pin because the bobby pin is like more secure, so that's why. I'm gonna do the same exact thing with the other section. So I'm gonna pick up hair and take the lower section over the other one. So before I take the lower section over the other one, I'm gonna just add hair to the lower section, as you can see, and I'm gonna take it over the other one. So I'm gonna add hair again to the lower piece, and I'm just gonna take over the other one. So I'm just gonna do the same thing, and now I'm just gonna stop adding hair. Once I reach behind my ears, I'll stop adding hair, and then I'm gonna simply do rope braid or like a twist braid. I'm gonna take these two sections, and I'm gonna like cross it over each other, as you can see, and I'm gonna take a bobby pin, and I'm gonna secure it at the end. As you can see, I'm going to be using the small little bobby pin to secure that. So once you leave it, it gets a little loose, but then that's fine. It's like a twist braid, so that's why it gets like loose. As it's a messy one, it's gonna be fine. So I'm gonna just do a ponytail, and then I'm gonna split the pony in two and just do twist braid again. And then I'm gonna just pull out the pieces, outer pieces, and make it messy. And I'm gonna wrap it around the elastic as you do to make a bun. So now I'm gonna just take few bobby pins to secure the bun in place. Now I'm gonna take the right side piece, and I'm gonna make it into a bun like that, and just I'm gonna use a few bobby pins and the hairpins and all. So I'm gonna do the same thing with the left section. I'm gonna wrap it into a bun like that, and I'm gonna be using bobby pins and hairpins. I used a lot of bobby pins to secure everything in place, and then I just used a lot of hairpins later on to make it a little more messy and a little more nicer looking. So just use a lot of hair and bobby pins in here. So this is the final look. This is the hairstyle. This is how it looked like. This looks really nice with your Indian outfits, or like just like messy bun. You can just wear it with any type of clothes you have. So yeah, I hope you like this hairstyle. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more such hairstyles, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye everyone, have a great day.